When we say we will indeed only perpetrate a sin to a certain extent, an actual area certainly opens up around the sin we have really committed. In fact, you know how in some games you click on one spot and other areas open up around it? When we enter a realm of sin, it has expansions in other areas. Satan starts to gain activity in these new areas. It may not remain as limited as we initially planned. Therefore, what we think of as just once or just one time can make it harder for us to return. Indeed, Satan has gained mastery over them because of what they earned. When you open this door, you may not know what other doors it will open. We should consider the possibility that if we cannot stop Satan today, it may be more difficult to stop him at the doors that follow, and thus we should be cautious when stepping into sins. There is indeed a possibility that the sins we think are limited and won't go beyond this can potentially lead us to various different steps and further dimensions. Because every sin certainly opens an opportunity for Satan, a chance against us. We can only be saved by seeking refuge in Allah, the mighty and majestic, asking Him for strength, praying that He keeps us away from Satan, removes Satan's influence over us, eliminates the opportunities we have given to Satan through our sins, takes us under his protection and care, and preserves us.